this is totally changed. It is like a paragraph, but we wanted to have like what? We wanted to like this way. It is not like this. See, now here you can see the program looks like what? See, I'll just make it. How it is looking now? Unlock your success since in one paragraph it is written, like in a paragraph you are writing. Why this is changed actually? Why it is changed? Here we need to start some, tags. More tags we have to write to format the particular program. What we have to do is that we need this particular program or this particular thing is on separate lines, depending, or separate paragraphs. How to do this? Very basic code we need to use is what? Very basic code we need to use is very basic. Here you come and write a basic code, very basic code, basic tag, that is called BR. What is called? BR. We write the BR, it will put the information on sec lines and without space. There will be no space between lines. So I just put at the end we have to put what? Just BR. BR means break. BR means break. Okay. And I'll come here my stories. I'll put break here. Then again I'll put break here. And I should not put the break here, but we can put the break here. Okay. Write this break. This. Now I save it. I go back to the browser where my program was. This is my program, and I refresh this browser. Should not open again. You can directly refresh the program. Now type. Now you can see unlock your success since 1994 R came on separate lines. But there is no space. I said there is no space. There is no space. But we want some space. So we have one more option is that we can give one more break. But that is not the practice. Here we have to change the tag. We have to use the paragraph tag instead of what? Instead of BR tag. And paragraph tag is also used for, we need to use the styles. Then paragraph tag helps us to write the style for the particular paragraph information. Okay, we can go for this. Now here we can go and do what? We can change the tag to paragraph tag. Now see, I'll just come here and write how to write the paragraph tags where you have to start and end the paragraph tag. But BR tag is not necessary to start and end. But paragraph you need to start and end. So now I'll just write P. Okay, and I end it. What is here? I'll end this P here /P. Okay, like this I can go. Okay,
P means
paragraph. Okay, paragraphs. Okay, then I can end here also. What is P? Okay, and then close the P, start the P again. Every time start the P and close the P. What you come here and close the P here. Okay, /P. Then come here and write again. What is P? And then close the, correct? Zoha. Okay. Then you start the P here again. Zoha. Okay. Sorry. Start the P and then close the P. Okay. Then we can go here. What? /P and close the P. Okay, we have changed the tag. Break to paragraph. Save it. Okay, now refresh. You will see the same, but there is space. Now see the space. Got it? You can see the space now. You are seeing the space. Now information is beautifully displayed, but here our mission, okay, is on one line. So we missed to give the paragraph. Okay, our mission. Okay, our mission here. This is the mission. Actually, mission is missed. We have not get in the paragraph here. So we have to just go here and see what mission is taken into paragraph only. So actually, you have to close the paragraph here. Okay, P, and then again in mission we have to start what the paragraph and end the, because it is subtitled. Because it is P. It is subtitled. Now save it and go back, okay, to the browser. Okay, go to the browser back and then refresh it again. Just enter F5, press F5. Now see the mission is also what? Mission is also there. So some information has been displayed where, but this browser, I have increased the view of the browser. in 100% you can say like this. If I say 100%, this is 200%, so minus this. The 100% size is this. In browser, the size, view size has been changed. This is not the correct size. When we are increasing the browser size, we can increase from here to just see that. But we have to be very careful. The 100% size you have to use in the browser to see this. Now, second most important thing, there are some titles, okay, and there are some titles. One thing we have missed to write, okay, we have missed to write is that our title, main title of the web page that was written. What is it? Was written here is what? Okay, career creators. I just copy this career which we missed to use, okay, and type back to here because purposely I kept this. You can come and paste it again also. On top I can come and paste this career creator. Again write here what? P tag, and I write here what? Close P. Now I save this. I go back to this, okay, HTML. And again what I can say, refresh. Now career kit is there, but everything is in simple one format only, one style only, same size of font, same. But you have to highlight what career kit should be a title of the page actually. So you have to highlight, you have to give the different styles and highlight this particular career kit. Here we can use the styling. Here you can use the styling. Now here you can use some style codes. Because हम लोग ऐसे व्यू चेंज किया ना 100% की. Now that's why we have to start. So we can use the increase view, okay. वो depend करता है कितना बड़ा screen है. Okay, now we have to use some what? Styles. So here I can show you some styles, okay, some codes here I can show here. I can write some codes here down. What styles we can use now? One tag we have used what? BR. Second tag we have used what? P. Now we are going to some styling tags. Styling tags, okay, tags, and they are called H1 to H6. H6. These are the styling tags. H1 is bigger, H2 is lesser than that, H3 is lesser than this, and H4 is lesser than this. Now we know the H1 tag styles can increase the font size. So first we'll go into the back to our program, and instead of P tag we cancel the P tag and we write what? H1. We write what? H1. Okay. Now I have written the H1. Got it? And close the H1 here. Okay. I just close the H1. Either it will take for all. Okay. Control S. Now go back to the where? Go back to the program F5. Now see the career kit is become little bigger than or. Because of what? Because of that H1 tag. Now this is little lesser. Unlock your success, you want little lesser than that what? This career kit. So you can come here and change this also and write what? H2. You can write what? H2. Now this is called H2. Now control S, go back to this program your H2 close nahi hua, this will see the close. Okay, H2 close nahi. Okay, we'll see this H2 and save it and go back to the browser and again F5. See this, unlock your success. Now here you can use what? H3. For 3, this and this, for you can use H3. Okay, we go and use H3 for this. H, or you can keep the H3, or you can keep this H3 or paragraph also. You can keep the paragraph. Okay, you can keep what? Paragraph only. We keep the paragraph, but one more tag we use instead of using styling. One more tag will be used here. I can write that tag also. One more tag will string which is called strong. Which is called strong. It will not change the size of the text, but it will make it bold, thicker. Okay. Now you need to understand for H since 1990 we are going to use what? We are going to use H3 tag. Okay, and we'll close the H3 tag here. H3 tag. Okay, but for what? For this particular subtitle is what? For this we are not going to use this H1 H3, but we are going to use what? Strong tag. What is going to do? Strong tag. This is called strong tag. We are going to use this strong tag. We have to write just for the subtitle. We have to write what? Strong here, and then end of this we have to write what? Strong again. Okay, and see what happens. Now just for this particular okay, this particular text I have used what? Strong tag. Why it is used strong tag, I'll tell you now. Most important thing, most important information will be given to you is that if you use H1 tag or H2 tag, that shifts the text to second line. That shifts the text to second line, separate line. Even paragraph tag or break tag shifts your text to separate line. But we don't want to shift our text to separate, but still we want to be thicker or bold. And because of that, what tags are we going to use? We are going to use what? Strong tag. Okay? It will not shift, it will keep the subtitle there only. If I use paragraph, either I have to give the paragraph here to close this, and that will be shifted to other line. So it is better to keep what? Strong tag. Then I save it, okay, and then you go and say refresh F5. Okay, now see this since 1994 and subtitle since 1994. This is H3 and subtitle is H, not strong. It is not H3, it is strong. It is because bold, it is because of what? It is because of strong. So this is where you can use what? The tags. How you can use the tag. Now I don't want to shift this text, this much text to second line. That I don't want that to shift the line. So I have to keep the separate. That's why the strong tag has been used. No paragraph tag, no BR tag, no H1 tag. But now you can give the H1, H3 to this 2 also. We have to give H3 to 2 also. So we can go back and see, watch, change this and say what you can write? H3 and close the H3. Sorry, यहाँ पे नहीं. Okay, you should control Z. R story में जाएगा. Where? R story. H3 and H/H3. Then we go back down. Mission है ना हमारा. We write to mission also what? H3. We write H3 and close H3 here. Okay. H3. This the simple, very basic course which even gives some stylish to our web. Then we have centering and color. We can use all those things. But this is a very basic structure of program. Now finally we see the program. We go back to this F5. Now see this. Now you make it size. Say 110%. Now see this. It can see the side. Even say everything is left aligned. Everything is left aligned. See, everything is left aligned. But we can make it center also. Some text we want to make it center, like career we want to have in center. You can make the center. We can learn those tags in next lecture. And then we need some colors of background, body colors, or want to change more colors of that. For that we need to style style sheet. Or there are more tags. Now this is a simple text we are using, simple text. But sometimes we need a text like bullets. List wise you want to display something. You want to display something in bullet wise, or you want to display in tables. That is also format. Or you want some forms in the program. So we need to have, we can have in list also, we can have a list of products or courses, that how to display those list of product and courses. In next lecture we can try to learn this. Or we need a form, or we need tables, we can do all that. Or we need even frames also, we can do this. We can set the columns through frames. Okay, that we'll learn in next lectures. Okay, this is the basic lecture of first program of HTML. Okay.